how to install MSPY on an Android device. Now, in order for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and basically just open Google Chrome, for example, and then from here, go ahead and type getmspy.net. So this one right here, if you're going to download this, you should be able to see this thing. So click this one, I'm not a robot, that's a reCAPTCHA, and then tap the download button. So in my case, I actually have these downloaded earlier, so I'm just going to cancel this one. But basically, when you are going to click this, you should see the MSPY installer. Alright, there you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the install button right here. Alright, and then click the open button right here. Okay, so from this point forward, all we have to do really is just accept the permission or give permission. So for example, we have these three right here. I'm going to click continue. And then from here, we're going to head over to permissions. And then we're just going to go ahead and basically give permission to these two right here. Click continue. Alright, so it seems like this is okay. I'm going to go back, click that one, and then you have here update service, click the allow button, close this, and then click the provide button right here. And then you have these three, please remember these, and then click continue, and then we're going to look for them. Alright, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and tap this, click OK, and then we're going to continue once again for the update services. We can go ahead and just look for it here, and then go ahead and toggle this on. And yeah, again, from this point forward, I want you to just go ahead and basically continue these. You're just going to update all the necessary things here, and afterwards, you should be able to successfully install MSPY on your Android device.